Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about, although it's a bird of prey, it gets mobbed by territorial birds such as mynas and crows. The brown hawk owl. The brown boobook, also known as the brown hawk owl, is an owl. Brown hawk-like owl with large, unsettling yellow eyes. It is a resident breeder in South Asia from India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal, east to western Indonesia and South China. Note solid brown back, patchily brown spotted white breast and a pale triangle above the bill. Adaptable, found in a wide range of forested habitats from primarily rainforest to orchards and gardens. Most active at night and dusk, often hunts from an exposed perch. Their calls are like locally named Bora Ukusu-Bassa. I have not seen the brown hawk owl. It is a bird you'll find in suburban areas. One of the suburban parks in Colombo is Diya Saru Park. It is an amazing wetland park where you can see many birds. These are some of the pictures of our visit to Diya Saru Park.